Srimatre Namaha. Welcome to Satsang with Grandma. We are doing Shankaracharya Virachita Saundarya Lahari. Today, 31st Shloka. Let us chant together. Chatushrashtya tantraihi sakalamati sandhaya bhuvanam sthitastat siddhi prasava paratantraihi pashupatihi पुनस्त्वन्निर्बन्धादखिलपुरुषार्थैकघटना स्वतन्त्रं ते तन्त्रं क्षितितलमवातीतरदिदम्. Here Shankaracharya is writing his kavitvam, poetic, very beautiful poetic way this shloka is written. Let us analyze this one. Mother is Chatushrashtya Tantraihi Chatushrashti Upacharajya, means 64 kalas came from mother, and Chatushrashti devatas are also, they worship mother. One time, this one you need to just visualize. One time mother told Paramashiva to write moksha karana book, means gives us liberation to all the people in earthly field, like all of us, because we are all mother's children. She wants to do the best for us. Then Shiva agreed. Mother is waiting in Manidvipam for all the children to get liberated and just waiting there. And nobody is coming there to Manidvipam. And then all of a sudden mother was wondering what is happening, what is Shiva is doing. Now let us see what Shiva is doing. He is Jatajuta Dhari, means he is very good in hairstyles. He wrote a book about how to do best hairstyles, and it became a bestseller. Everybody wants to make money, become famous, and get into awards. Nobody wants to get the realization, moksham, and it became very bestseller. And then that is the first one. Second one is also, he wrote about Vrikshanam Pataye Namaha. He is the greatest Pataye, he is the ruler of all the trees. He knows how to take care of the trees and what to do, when they bloom, and all that he knows. So then he wrote the book about all the trees. That became a bestseller too, especially nowadays everybody is talking about go green and plant a tree and all that. And mother is waiting in Manidvipam. All the 64 tantras like this he was writing, Shiva, and everything is becoming bestseller. Now third one, let us see two more. He is a Nataraja. He is very good in dance, and he wrote a book about how to do dance, how to get medals and all that. That also became bestseller. Everybody wanted to become a best dancer. Then this is the most interesting. Taskaranam Pataye Namaha, means he is the chief of all the pickpocketers, how to do scams and all that. Taskaranam. And then he wrote about the book how to steal, how to do pickpocketing, all that in detail, and that also became a bestseller. And then finally mother questioned Lord Shiva, what are you doing? I asked them to give one tantram which liberates all the children, all my children. Then Shiva was telling all this. Finally mother said, you need to write a book. Purushartha Eka Ghatana. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksham, gives all of them. And then he wrote Sri Vidya Tantram. That is liberating text, that is Tantram, about mother. that is Srividya Tantram. Kshititalamavaatiitaradidam. Kshiti means this earth, and he released on earth, and slowly everybody started getting the liberation. Means this one is the, we need to just visualize, this is the best sloka for Shankaracharya's poetry. All of them. Then Pashupatihi means Lord Shiva. Srividya Tantram is the best one for liberation. And so this is the shloka for mother's compassion. This is how she looks after us. She thinks about us and does whatever is the best for us. This is the essence of the shloka. Now let us chant the shloka together. 31 shloka. Chatushtya tantraihi sakalamati sandhaya bhuvanam stitastattat siddhi prasava paratantraihi pashupatihi punastvan nirbandhadakhila purushardhaika ghatana स्वतंत्रं ते तंत्रं क्षितितलमवातीतरदिदम्. ओम श्रीमात्रे नमः.